Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome to the science class for year 6. Now, for those who are new, I am Cikgu Roni and I will teach in this video year 6 only. Now, I have two classes. For those who are looking for year 3, you can look at the other video in my channel, the science class. Before we start our lesson, we recite doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wasallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Okay, the topic for this week would be we're still in the theme energy and forces, and we're still under the title, under the topic electrical energy, and the subtopic would be electric circuit. So this week we shall talk about electric circuit. Now last week we talked about sources of electric and how we can save electricity at home and at school. Okay, our objective this week would be to construct and draw a simple electric circuit correctly, and to explain how the setup of a circuit affects the flow of electricity. Okay, what we need to do is to construct electric circuit, draw electric circuit, talk about what affect electric flow in a circuit. But before that, we talk about electric circuit. A simple electric circuit has a dry cell, a bulb, and connecting wires. So these three material is very important. These three items is very important to construct a simple electric circuit. You may have this at home, or you might not have this at home, but if you do have, you can try to make a simple electric circuit. They must be connected correctly to allow electricity to flow in the circuit. A dry cell have two terminals, a positive terminal and a negative terminal. So if we have a dry cell like this one, so the top one in our dry cell is called a positive terminal. Positive. Usually, if you check in your remote control at home, if you open the battery compartment, and you can see that there's a plus sign and there's a minus sign. So that means the plus sign means positive, and the minus sign means negative terminal. Why there is positive and negative terminal, I will show you later. So that is the positive terminal, or the bottom one, and the bottom one is the negative terminal, minus. In the circuit below this circuit, electricity flows from one end of the cells through the wires. Cells mean this dry cell, through the wires, through this wire, and the light bulb to the other end of the cell. Now let me tell you, electric current will move from the red wire first, from the positive. It will move here, this side first. It will move like this and pass through the light bulb, and the light bulb will turn on, and then it will move this way on the black wire back to the negative terminal. So that's how it flows. I will show you again later. There's a example how it moves. This is called a complete circuit. This one is called a complete circuit or closed circuit. So this one is closed circuit. This one, not. There are two types of circuit that we have learned. That is open and closed. Now you need to learn that closed is also called complete circuit. So this is closed. Tertutup. Tertutup means tutup semua bersambung dengan baik. It's called close. So this is called complete. It's the same word, complete. Sempurna, cukup sempurna. So everything is connected properly, and the electricity can move from this terminal to the light bulb and back to the negative terminal. Look at the circuit below. This circuit, there's a gap between the wire. here in the positive terminal of the dry cell, as you can see here. And what happened is the light bulb cannot turn on like this one. So this is wrong. The picture is wrong. It's supposed to be it turned off. There's no light. There's no light. It cannot. The light bulb cannot light up. It's supposed to be because there's a gap. This is an example of an incomplete circuit or open circuit. So you call this open, terbuka. Terbuka means it's not closed. Ya, terbuka. So when it's open, it's incomplete, not perfect, tidak sempurna. It's incomplete, tidak cukup. So this cannot light up. So this means that this is called incomplete or open circuit. Okay, remember that this is open circuit or incomplete circuit. This one, complete circuit or closed circuit. Next. Oh, one more. Electricity cannot flow through an incomplete circuit. The bulb does not light up. Okay, this bulb does not light up. Okay. Now, take a look here. If you check in the internet, if you have internet at home, maybe a laptop, you can use this. You search DC circuit builder from physicsclassroom.com. If you have a computer and internet, you can choose this, use this, and what happened here is you can try to, if you don't have any wires or battery and light bulb, you can use this. This is the virtual simple circuit. So this is the wire. If you can see here, wire. This is the dry cell. And this is a light bulb. I can add some more if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm not sure. Copy? No. Okay, doesn't really matter. But what I want to show you is when I put the wire here, this is wire and light bulb. What happened is the light bulb turned on. So it turned on like this in this picture. So it turns on. The light bulb is on, shown by this picture. So what, as you can see here, the current moved from the positive. It moved down to the light bulb and move to the negative terminal. So this happened when you have a complete circuit. This happened, a complete or closed circuit, and this happened. The current from the positive terminal would move through the wires to the light bulb and then back to the negative terminal. So if I lose one wire, atau if I lose one connector, then it's not connected. So what happened is the light bulb does not turn on, does not light up, because this is an incomplete circuit. Incomplete means indah cukup, katanya. Indah cukup. Indah cukup. So you can use anyway, like here. What happened is it moved that way. See? Or maybe I shorten the wire. It's the same thing. It moves. The idea is you need to have a battery, wires, and light bulb. And this happened. This is a complete circuit. Maybe I want to put the light bulb far away. Maybe I want to put wire all around, like that. It's the same thing. What happened is you have this. The electric current would move from the positive terminal and move up through the wires to the light bulb and move back to the negative terminal. So this is how electricity moves, and this is called complete circuit or closed circuit. This one, If I minus 1, no wire here, this is called open circuit or incomplete circuit. Okay, you understand that? If you want to try this, you can try that from physics.com. You can type in Google DC circuit builder. You search for physicsclassroom.com. Okay, now excellent. Now for our exercise, what I need you to do is you read your notes, these notes, and you simply draw one complete circuit, and draw a battery, a light bulb, and wire connected, and label the items, label light bulb, label dry cell, label wire, and draw a complete circuit, and the light bulb turn on, lights up, and draw one incomplete circuit on a paper. Draw one incomplete circuit and label it also. Now take picture of your drawing. You draw first and you take picture, and you draw both complete and incomplete. You take both two pictures, and you upload through Google Form. That's a way. In the Google Form, you upload your picture of this drawing, one for complete circuit, one for incomplete circuit. Take the picture and upload in Google Form, and then under that buat exercise, do your exercise. Okay, yang atas upload, and then do your exercise in the Google Form from the link that I will provide later. Okay, let's check our lesson for this week. A simple circuit consists of a dry cell, a bulb, and wires. A dry cell have a positive terminal and a negative terminal. A complete circuit is when electricity able to flow from one end of the terminal along wires, light bulb, and back to the other end of the terminal. An incomplete circuit is when electricity cannot flow from one end of the terminal to another end of the terminal. Okay, thank you for watching lesson for this week for year 6 Brunei Darussalam. This week is about simple circuit, and I will talk again with another topic next week video. Okay, thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.